Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to program a universal remote for Spectrum Xumo Stream Box step-by-step tutorial. To program a remote to control a Spectrum Xumo Stream Box, you must force the original Xumo remote into infrared IR mode so your third-party universal remote can learn its command. Because the Xumo box normally communicates using radio frequency, RF, or Bluetooth, a standard universal remote cannot scan for a direct device code. Instead, you must use a learning-capable universal remote and program it button by button. Step 1. Prep the Xumo remote for IR mode. Unplug the power cord from the back of your Xumo Stream box. This cuts off the RF/Bluetooth signal and forces the Xumo remote to output standard IR signals. Verify the remote is in IR mode by pressing any button. If it requires a manual drop back, just ensure the box remains completely powered off. Step 2. Set up your universal remote to learn. Grab a universal remote that explicitly supports a learning feature, such as select models from Interset, SofaBaton, or Logitech. Enter learning mode on your universal remote, usually done by holding down a setup or device button like STRM until the indicator light stays lit. Now select the target key on the universal remote you want to program. For example, the power button. The light should start blinking, indicating it is ready to receive a command. Step 3. Map the buttons head to head. Place your universal remote and original Xumo remote on a flat surface pointed directly at each other about 2 inches apart. Now press and hold the corresponding button on the Xumo remote, for example the power button. Look at the universal remote's indicator light. A solid flash or color change confirms it successfully learned the IR command. Now repeat this process button by button for all essential navigation keys. For example, up, down, left, right, and OK/select, home and backup, volume up, volume down, and mute. Step 4. Save and test. Exit learning mode on your universal remote according to its specific manual instructions, usually by pressing the Set or Setup button once. Now plug the Xumo Stream Box back into its power outlet. Test your newly programmed universal remote to confirm it controls the Xumo on-screen navigation seamlessly. If you ever need to use the original Zoomer remote to control your TV's physical volume or power instead, you can program it directly through the on-screen settings by navigating to Settings, then Connect your device, then Remote, and then Control your TV. Thank you for watching, and for more such informative videos, do like, share, and subscribe to our channel.